Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So, in this video, I want to talk to you guys about somebody that got approved for the Capital One credit card. And they only put a $99 deposit down, and their credit score is 556. Y'all know I told you guys to get you a secure credit card. Stop messing around with these companies that's charging you monthly. Like the kickoff gonna charge you $20 a month. I told you guys stop messing with those companies and just get a secure credit card, right? And put a $200 deposit down. Well, with Capital One, they have an option where they'll check your credit, and depending on your credit, they may tell you to put $49 down, $99 down, or the $200 down. I think it could be $149, but let's actually go and look at it. So when I saw this, I was like, okay, let me tell you guys about this, because this may be an option of what when you apply for credit cards, you have different ones you want to try first, and this may be one you want to basically try sooner. So let's go ahead and check this one out, because this may be a great option for you all. So these right here are the Capital One credit cards. Okay, so Capital One, they got their Platinum MasterCard, the Quicksilver One Rewards, and then these are the secure ones, the Quicksilver Secure and the Platinum Secured. Okay, so they got approved for that Platinum Secure, but look right here. They say you can put $49 down, $99 down, or $200 down. This is the deposit that you're going to get back. So that's what I really like with the Platinum Secure. This one's actually here before they even had that Quicksilver Secure. But with the Platinum Secure, you can put less money down. So I see people sometimes putting $49 down, but they're still, no matter what, going to send you a $200 credit card. So I tell people, try to see if you can get this credit card, this Platinum Secure credit card, because it may be a great option. Sometimes you guys, like if you know your credit score is really, really low, then definitely you probably got to get a secure credit card. But let these companies like Capital One tell you no. Try to see if you can get like the regular Platinum MasterCard or the Quicksilver One Rewards. See if you can get that. And if you cannot get those, then try to go for the secure. But the point that you can put $49 down, that's less money that you really got to come out of your pocket. Like I said, you still want to get a $200 secure credit card in the mail. Just make sure you guys are just paying it off on time. I would say pay the statement balance by the due date, and you'll see that these credit cards going to graduate. Now, sometimes they're not graduating, and that's because you guys are not fixing other things on your credit. Sometimes you guys are still leaving like negative accounts on your credit report. Sometimes you guys are also having bad utilization on not only this credit card but other credit cards you have late payments. You still doing bad, because a lot of times they want to graduate your accounts, especially like Discover. Let me go here to this list. It's the best. This on my website, Rickita.com. Once you go to Rickita.com, scroll down and you'll see like the best credit cards for bad credit. You can click right there. If you ever want to schedule a call too, you can schedule a call here. As you can see, I'm really recording anywhere until school starts back. Until I get a groove and school starts back in August, you guys, I'm going to be just randomly recording and not really taking calls at all. So, but you guys can come here to this list, and you will see like some credit cards like Discover here. Discover got a secure credit card. You put $200 down on it. But listen, Capital One got it where you can put $49 down on it. But Discover will say something like, if you go to like the Discover website, let's see if we can look it up. Discover have their terms for their secure credit card where they're telling you that you need to make sure that you don't have any new negative accounts. Your credit, like you're on time with your current obligations in terms of your credit. They're not just going to say, okay, it's time for us to graduate you, let us go ahead and graduate you. That's just not what they do. So let me see if I can find out exactly like where that's at, where I read that at, because I think it's down at the bottom. Yeah, it's down in his area. Okay, so wait, getting your deposit back. So monthly reviews will start in the 7th month. We will refund your security deposit if you have made all your payments on time for 6 consecutive billing cycles. Think of this, you guys, for all secure credit cards, okay? So in terms that they're going to graduate, just follow these rules right here, because this is what they're looking at. And that's for all your Discover accounts, including loans, and they must all remain in good status. Okay. And on all accounts, you are responsible for whether or not there are Discover accounts or not. So that means all of your accounts. Good. And then they even go deeper into a good status. What does that mean? It means your credit report shows no delinquencies, charge off, repossessions, bankruptcies for 6 months prior to our review. So that means during the time you got this credit card, you shouldn't have any new accounts. You shouldn't have no new delinquencies, no new charge-offs, repossessions, or bankruptcies. You should not have those new negative accounts. Your Discover Secure card is not in prohibited status at the time of review. I don't know what you got to do to get that. And that means it cannot be closed, revoked, suspended, subject to a tax levy, garnishment, deceased, lost, stolen, or fraud. So they are being very, very specific. So follow these same rules when like you guys are applying for like the platinum secured or the quicksilver secured, even when you guys are applying for Navy Federal, because Navy Federal is very secure too. I mean, they're very specific too about their secure credit card. So let me see what else. Monthly reviews may be delayed if you change your payment due date. So if you guys change your payment due date, you know, the review is going to happen later, basically. So they typically process refund in 2 to 3 business days based on your delivery preference. If you close your account and pay it in full, they return your deposit within 2 billing cycles plus 10 days. So follow these same rules when it come down to like the Capital One account. But I do want you guys to try to see if you can qualify for, get pre-approved for the Capital One Platinum Secure card, because again, you can put $49 down. Sometimes when I tell people to get secure credit cards, the biggest problem with getting a secure credit card is that they do not like to pay the deposit. They don't have the money sometimes for the deposit, but they know that they need to build their credit. So I tell people, you know, try the Capital One Platinum. Now, some people have said that this one has not graduated as well as other ones, but I do like Navy Federal because I have seen them graduate a lot, and I do like the Discover. So these are great options for you all. But like for some people like, let me show you the comment if I haven't deleted it yet. I had a comment where someone on my last video of earlier today, like I'm just going to find these videos, like find these comments and putting them up. Actually, I think I deleted the comment. Well, somebody said their credit score went up 126 points and they only paid $20 per month, but that was based off of that Kickoff account. So, you know, Kickoff have an account where you could pay $5 per month. Here is Kickoff here. Some that you can pay $5 per month or up to $20 per month. So they said their credit score went up 126 points. So check out that video if you have. I made a video about that a little earlier, but their credit score went up 126 points off that Kickoff account, but they're paying $20 per month. That money going down the drain. So for you, I tell people, before you even try to get the Kickoff account, we don't even know where their credit score started at. They could have been in 300s or 400s. We'll see. Maybe they respond to the video saying my credit score was here. Did it? Okay, good. Let us know. But other than that, we can only assume that their credit score was very, very low. If you're going to pay $20 per month, you might as well try to get like a Capital One Platinum Secure or the Discover is secure, because $20 per month in 10 months, you're already at $200, which is your deposit for these secure credit cards is going to graduate. And I see these credit cards graduate to at least, well, I don't want to say at least, but I see them graduate over $2,000, like $2,500 I seen with the Discover, Navy Federal, $2,000. If not more, depending on like with the Navy Federal, you could have put a higher deposit down, even with Discover too. But I mean, with putting down a low amount, like just $200, I have seen Navy Federal go to $2,000. So I tell people to definitely get those, because in 10 months you have something tangible. You can touch this credit card, you can use this credit card, you're building a relationship with these companies. But with that Kickoff, you can't actually do that. And this is the Navy Federal I was telling you guys about the N Rewards secure card. But definitely check it out. Like I said, Capital One could be a great option for you all if you guys want to get secure credit card, because again, the least you can put down is $49, which is amazing for those people that just don't have a lot of money but they want to start building their credit. And even if you put $49 down, they're still going to send you a $200 credit card in the mail. If you guys have any questions, please come to my website, Rickita.com, and schedule a call during the summer with me graduating, with me doing the Spanish with my kids, with me just taking time for myself. I'm going to be continuing to make these videos like this for you guys. I want to make sure that like when school start back, we should be up. Like people should already have like at least their 4 credit cards. They're really building their credit, and then by the end of the year, we're just finishing off, just making sure accounts are deleted. So I just want to make sure I keep making these videos for people that keep saying I can't get approved for a credit card. Everybody's telling me no. Like, continue to watch these videos. You are going to eventually get approved. But schedule a call with somebody on my team. If you guys are on my membership, I'll be happy to take your call. You guys also have the option to join my membership if you want me to talk to you. But if you're not a part of my membership, I just cannot talk honestly because I'm just so busy. But these are the 3 membership options I have. It's the same membership, just different payment options. But I'll see you guys in the next video. And congratulations to everybody that got approved for credit cards. Please make sure you guys put any credit card approvals that you guys have down below in the comments so I can let everybody else know. Because most likely some of you guys found these things on YouTube, apply for it, and there you go. Now you got a credit card. So just make sure you pay it forward so that I can let everybody know you was able to get approved. See you guys in the next video.